everyone. I am recording today out in my garage. I finally got the go-ahead to sand. So this dresser, well, the drawers are kind of everywhere. This dresser we bought right after we moved in, I think. Anyways, I haven't done it. It's going to be in our bedroom. This is for the master bedroom. And I have not gotten it done because I haven't been able to sand. So today I am working on this. So I thought I would share the video with you all. I've already used my Awesome Spray and wiped it down, and then went back over with water and wiped it all down again. This was a white rag. I mean, it was disgusting. And I have a second one I used as well. Oh, and I didn't even get these ones. So these ones I'll have to get done yet. But I'm gonna go ahead and probably do this on fast speed, and you guys can watch me refinish the dresser for our master bedroom. Keep watching. So I'm just going to really quick show you the difference, what I'm doing on here. I am just using my DeWalt Random Orbital. On here right now is 80 grit sandpaper. I will go back over once this top is completely done. I will go back over it with 120 and then between 2 and 400 on the top to get a really smooth finish. But I wanted to show you, not only was the finish on this failing big time, but let me show you the difference. This is sanded. This is just with an 80 grit, so it's still a little rough, and now you can see kitty footprints. It's raining here today, but look at the difference of this. Holy moly. I already know what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to do Dixie Belle vintage linen. I'm going to do a wash on the top and seal it in, and then do full strength vintage linen on the bottom. So keep watching. Okay, so I have the top stained, as you could see, with that wash I made, with was a little bit, probably about 40% paint, 60% water. I brushed it on and then wiped it off, and it's just got that really gorgeous beachy wood look. And then I did full strength on the rest of the dresser. You can see the drawers, and then the dresser itself. I'll get some pictures and put them up above in one of the corners here. I know I'm doing this the wrong way and it's gonna mess it all up, but it's the way I grabbed my phone. I'm very sorry. So let me go ahead and post some pictures and show you guys this almost finished piece. I need to seal this top once it is dry, and then seal obviously the base as well and the drawers, and then put the hardware back on. I have the original hardware for the 6 big drawers. For the 3 little ones, I am going to need to find some new ones. They're just single knobs, and they had like extra pieces, but one of them was missing. So I only have 2 complete sets. So I'm going to go ahead and get replacements out of my stash and get those added on. Otherwise, man, this is just about done. I cannot believe I've sat on this for so long because of my arm, and I'm finally getting this to the point where I can show you guys. And you can see my workshop is such a mess. This is my part of the garage, and I've got This is going to be painted in black really soon. This may be my new headboard. I have back over here, this little piece here is going to get a wash done, just like I did that top. I'm going to do a wash on that, and I may do a color. I have not quite decided. Just a real quick, I've got some more headboards back here. This is an old radio. We got that piece for free. It is already gutted out. As you can see, it's falling apart. Doesn't work. We're going to go ahead and finish gutting it and turn that into a little like blanket cabinet. And then otherwise, a really amazing dresser. I think I took pictures of this one, you guys. And that should be both on Instagram and Facebook. And then just some work tables and some little tables over there I need to finish. But I'm really excited to be back out here. It feels so good to get something accomplished and so quickly compared to where I've been. I just had to share with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Please like, subscribe, and share if you like this content. And we'll see you next time, and stay tuned here for the pictures. Bye.